Beginning with our four-pillar approach at CSO Global, we have developed a very comprehensive four-pillar approach that will help banks integrate ESG into their operations, meet regulatory requirements, and position themselves as leaders in sustainable finance. Our approach is designed to address the challenges we have discussed previously and also help the banks capitalize on the opportunities presented by the transition to a low carbon economy. So, as you can see, our four pillars are sustainable infrastructure optimization, uh, which starts from a green building certification. The second pillar is the decarbonization of loan portfolio. This addresses the crucial challenge of managing and reducing your financed emission, that is the scope 3 emissions. And the third one is the data driven solutions and technological enablement. So this pillar will help the bank to manage their data and automate the challenges that they will face while managing the ESG data that's already present in the bank or that needs to be managed properly. So, and the last one is the sustainable reporting, that is the need of the hour now in India also. So this will ensure that a bank meets the growing demand for reporting, and we also have a tool that can be used to create the ESG report that is the BRSR report that is mandated by the SEBI. So when it comes to the fourth pillar of CSO Global regarding the sustainable infrastructure, Meeta, can you change the slide? Yeah. I mean the first one, that is the sustainable infrastructure. So our approach towards our approach towards the ESG for banks, it is very important. When the bank wants to achieve their goals, they have to ensure that their infrastructure is reduce is producing is reducing its carbon emissions. That is the scope 1 and scope 2 emission. The facilities that they are operating, the offices that from where they are doing their operations, they might be big buildings, that is 500 square feet or maybe 10,000 square feet. It becomes very important for the banks to follow some green guidelines or standards and try to achieve those set benchmark to achieve better energy efficiency, water efficiency, and also manage the waste inside those facilities. So applying these guidelines to achieve the goals, CSO Global can help the banks by supporting these goals by providing them with green certifications. So these green certifications can take care of the scope 1 and scope 2 emissions very well. And also the green building certifications not only set the greening benchmark, minimum benchmarks, but also provide a strategy how to achieve a net zero goal by becoming a net zero facility. So, by becoming a zero carbon facility and following the guidelines provided in the industry, CSO Global can help the bank attain the net zero the trajectory towards the net zero.